Children, welcome to the Business Studies classroom. Today, in this module, we are going to study the term internal trade. Let me ask one question. What is meant by a trade? Yes, trade means exchange of goods and services for making or earning profit. Trade can be divided into two. They are internal trade and external trade. Now we are going to study the term internal trade. Internal trade is also known as domestic trade. It refers to all those activities which involve sale or exchange of goods and services within the geographical boundaries of the nation. In such a trade, both the buyer and the seller are residents of the same country. The sale of goods by a merchant from Delhi to a merchant from Agra is internal trade. Internal trade may take place between states or between towns of the same state or between the merchants from the same town. These are the examples of internal trade. Internal trade can be divided into two. Can you say what are the different types of internal trade? Yes, as we know, internal trade can be divided into two, wholesale trade and retail trade. What is meant by wholesale trade? The wholesale trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services in large quantities for the purpose of resale or intermediates use. Who is a wholesaler? Can you say who is a wholesaler? Yes, wholesaler is a person who buys or sells the goods in large quantities for the purpose of resale or intermediate use. He buys the goods in bulk directly from the manufacturer and sells these goods into small quantities to retailers. In this way, a wholesaler serves as a link between the manufacturer and retailer. In this way, the wholesaler serves the link between the manufacturer and retailer. The main role of the wholesaler is breaking of bulk quantities, that is, buying goods in large quantities and selling them in smaller quantities to the retailers. A wholesaler sells the goods to those who buy the goods within the intention of reselling them. The wholesale trade comprises the merchants who intervene between the producer on the one hand and the retailer on other hand. The important features of the wholesale trade are: the wholesaler deals in large quantities. He generally specializes in the purchases and sale of goods and services. The wholesaler is a person who sells the goods in small lots to retailers and generally does not sell the products directly to the ultimate customer. He serves as a link between manufacturer and retailers. The wholesaler usually he has the complete knowledge about the products. Then he invests a large amount of capital to maintain a substantial stock of goods and to sell the goods on credit. The transaction may be cash transaction or credit transaction. The margin of the profit in wholesale trade is generally low. The wholesaler is the first intermediary in the distribution of the goods. These are the important features of wholesale trade.